I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can.
Good morning. Just want to thank everybody that has liked and subscribed the videos. If you haven't, please consider to do so. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos, how-tos, and kind of day in the life kind of videos and blogs. So if you like that kind of stuff, like and share and subscribe to the channel. So on this job we're going to be getting started. We are going to be doing some concrete work. Right now the customer does have a ton of favors that we're going to go ahead and get off the property, get ready to start framing. So today is basically just going to be a demo day. We're just going to rip everything out. Tomorrow get everything framed up, everything set, adjusting the sprinklers that we need to. That way on Wednesday we can go ahead and pour this project. So let's go take a look and let's get started. Alright, so here we're gonna demo out all of the pavers, get the concrete up to the house. This section is gonna be water wall concrete up to the tree here. Mark that off. We're gonna go ahead and extend this little tiny section of concrete. This side, the little planet, we're gonna butt up the 2x4s to the fence posts and just pour what we can, and then we're gonna do a little driveway extension. So guys are just taking out all the equipment right now, and we're gonna start loading up all these pavers and everything you see here to start getting it ready for framing. Today is pour day. The guys were able to get everything framed and cleaned up. So here's that little side section. Concrete truck is already back there. Got this little piece here. The pumper still getting everything connected. Now we got this section, once again wall to wall. Right over here we did have to raise that box a little bit, so it's going to be level with the top of concrete. Right now they're hooking everything up, getting ready to pour. Then we got the little driveway extension with the rebar. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and just strip the forms. That little piece came out great. Okay, so we are back at the job we just poured yesterday. Just gonna take off the last of the frame and put the gate back up. Do a little final cleanup. How's it going? I'm gonna turn this guy out. All right. So took the little frame off. Now time to put this fence back on. Excuse me, I don't have the right tools, but I had to stop by Harbor Freight, pick up a small pair just to get me through this, because I got some other, I'm not gonna go buy a whole toolkit just to tighten this little nut. So the reason we took the fence off in the first place was it was actually a little higher. You could see where it was grabbed on before, but it would not clear the concrete. So now we can go ahead and open. There we go. Actually, there was a little bit of rubbing there, so let me raise it up just a hair. Don't want to come back in a week. Cheap Harbor Freight tools. don't want to come back in a week just to move this up, so just do the right thing and get it taken care of on the spot. Okay, go ahead and test it out again. There we go. Now it goes open and close all the way. Okay, that is it for that job. So today's Wednesday. Monday we demoed all the pavers, got everything set, got the frames in. Tuesday we got the rebar for the driveway extension, and then poured the concrete, and then I stripped out most of the frames except the one that I couldn't get to, which is the one I just removed. So today I just removed that one, put up the gate, did a kind of final cleanup, make sure everything looks good before we are out of there, and that's about it. So, you know, 3 days or 2 days and an hour on the third day. Customer did ask me about trying to match the different concrete, and I've had this question before. One thing that I would recommend, either doing a resurface or staining both new and old concrete after it cures. That way it all kind of matches a little better. It's not going to be 100%, but it will be better than it is now. I'm actually doing a video on how to stain and seal concrete, because that's what we're doing today at another job. So I'm going to be basically dropping this video and that video together, because I do want to do a lot more how-to videos for kind of the DIY homeowner. And with that being said, I was also thinking about different ideas for Christmas, maybe doing like a tool giveaway or a gift card giveaway or some kind of giveaway to have participation on the channel, have people subscribe, and kind of give them an incentive, because I mean the whole point of the how-to videos is to try to empower somebody to do some of this stuff at home. So I think that would be cool, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you think I'm just wasting my time, or if you know you guys would enjoy little giveaways and stuff like that. But for now, that is it. Once again, just want to thank everybody, and I will see you guys on the next job site. Thank you.